Welcome to Dani's Auto World. Today we're diving into the future of outdoor adventure with a close-up look at the brand new 2026 four-wheelers RV camper, a true game changer for road warriors, off-grid explorers, and weekend adventurers alike. Whether you're a solo traveler or rolling with the whole crew, this RV camper promises to take your experience to the next level with innovation, power, and comfort all wrapped into one sleek design. The 2026 model comes with a bold exterior, aerodynamic lines, and high-strength lightweight materials that make towing smoother than ever. Its off-road ready four-wheel drive system ensures you can handle any terrain from mountain trails to desert flats without breaking a sweat. Equipped with advanced suspension and stability controls, this camper glides over rough terrain while keeping everything inside safe and secure. Step inside and you'll immediately notice how the interior design brings modern luxury into the wilderness. With expandable living quarters, the space feels more like a smart apartment than a traditional camper. A touchscreen control panel manages everything from climate to lighting to entertainment with a simple tap. High-efficiency solar panels on the roof keep your batteries charged, while the built-in inverter lets you power all your essential devices even in the middle of nowhere. The kitchen area includes a compact induction stove, full-size refrigerator, and even a built-in water purifier. And the sleeping arrangements. Think queen-size memory foam mattress, blackout shades, and noise-dampening walls, because adventure doesn't have to mean discomfort. There's even an option for a pop-up rooftop tent if you need extra sleeping space or just want to stargaze under the open sky. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2026 four-wheelers RV camper features a full suite of driver assist tech, including lane departure warnings, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system for easier parking and navigation. Add to that a rugged chassis and reinforced shell, and you've got peace of mind wherever your road takes you. Whether you're planning a cross-country trek, a weekend at the lake, or setting up a mobile office in the woods, the 2026 four-wheelers RV camper is your go anywhere, do anything companion. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more from Dani's Auto World.